I just thought I'd give you an update what's going on. This is Sunday evening, and I got a call from a healthcare company in Bozeman, Montana. They're going to send a nurse out on sometime this coming week, and I'll be getting regular visits from them and also from a therapist who will help me recover more quickly. So I just want to let everybody know it's a short video. Again, I want to thank, I can't even tell you how much it meant to me, get all the well wishes and prayers from all over the world. I had no idea I touched that many people. All right, everybody. Love you all. And thank you. Till next time.